Today I'm gonna show you how we're gonna get ja uusi. And welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to get 10 more horsepower for your car. Our friends at Concept C Performance sent us the package that we have been waiting for a long time to arrive from the USA, so stay tuned. So, recalls, not sure if you can see it from the center. Don't know if we have any use for those, but this is the real deal. Needs more RUGS. Excellent, that's 5 horsepower. And here comes the another 5. So together, those make 10 horsepower more. Yeah. And in addition, we have some gaskets for the rear bumper and rear trunk rug also. It was in a horrible condition, so I needed a new one. So that's the Z original manufacturer gear. Oh yeah. So let's get these installed. Looking good. And that's how you get 10 horsepower more.